The how-to website iFixit posted a teardown video of Meta's new Ray-Ban display augmented reality glasses and came away impressed with the tech but wary of repairability. As a matter of fact, one of the tech said in the upcoming video that it's very clear the first iteration are going to be unrepairable. The repairability issue is unsurprising given that it's a newish technology. The website says there are several factors that contribute to the problem, noting that users would have to split the arms and frame into half to do so. A simple thing like replacing a battery and Meta does not provide any way to do so. Any repairs here are going to be needing specialized skills and specialized tools. This applies for the speakers as well. The same goes when looking to replace the lenses as they are specifically made and would be difficult to source. iFixit does come impressed with the glass making skill used to manufacture these lenses. The lenses use a reflective geometric waveguide system that bounces light to wearer's eye at a specific angle using partial reflective mirrors. This not only creates an AR experience but also helps prevent other people from getting a glimpse on the screen when you're staring at them. There's a mini projector in the right arm which would be very difficult to repair. The liquid crystal on silicon device creates 600 to 600 pixel grid image that will be free from any artifact and will flash the telltale eye glow at onlookers. Again, this is due to lenses. All this advanced tech add up to iFixit thinks Meta may be selling this at a loss as these lenses are expensive to manufacture. Despite this, the website urges Meta to prioritize replaceable battery modular arms and swappable lens in the future. The Meta Ray-Ban display AR glass is already on digital store shelves and costs $800.